So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can make iPhone speak caller name in iOS 18. So for this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here, scroll to the bottom. Tap on apps. In the apps menu, scroll down. And here tap on phone. Now here tap on announce calls. Here you will get 4 options: always, headphones and cars, headphones only, and never. If you want to hear caller name while wearing headphones, then select headphones only. If you want to hear caller name when using headphones or while in car, then select headphones and car. If you want to hear caller name always, then select always. So this is how you can make iPhone speak caller name. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.